of a 35-inch 3-compartment sink with faucet. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 35 inches in length, a depth of 19.5 inches, height of 43 inches tall, and the height minus the backsplash will include 36 inches. 3 compartments, with each compartment including a strainer and a stop. And each compartment measuring 10 inches in length, 14 inches in depth, by 10 inches in height. Measurements apply for the first, middle, and last compartment. Faucet included, with the measurements for the left and right mount, measuring 9 inches, and the spout, measuring 8 inches. NSF certification sticker located on the top left corner on the splash. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.